Welcome back to the world of trucks from the 30th anniversary four-wheel jamboree right here in Lima, Ohio. Just about any make, model, color, description of truck is on display in the car show area today, or today, the truck show area. Take a look at this gorgeous 1992 Toyota. Well, it started out not exactly looking like this, Roger, so what gives here?
Well, we just kind of wanted a show truck, and she said she wanted one that would compete, so we kind of tore a stock Toyota down, and 5 years later, here's what she looks like. So,
all right, Tammy, when you started out, you told Roger, I want a show truck, so does this meet all of your requirements?
Yes, and then some. It is very nice.
Won any awards?
Yes, lots of them. Anything from a grand champion to best paint, best engineered, about everything that you think you can win, we have won it one time or another.
All right, they say it is never finished. Is it finished?
No, never. It is a toy that'll never be done.
Uh-oh, Roger's shaking his head. So what's going to come next?
well, I think we're going to get into the pulling side of the circuit and buy us a pulling truck, a modified pulling truck, and try that.
Whoa, wait a minute. What happens to the Toyota? You going to sell that?
Yes, I think we're going to try to sell it, but if it doesn't happen, I'm not worried about it. It can sit in the garage.
Her smile went away when we said that.
I don't think she wants to sell it.
No.
All right, don't listen, Roger. You're going to sell the truck?
No, it's not for sale, really.
While they work this out, we'll go to the dock. He's on the grounds right over there.
Custom show trucks. They come in all shapes and sizes and styles and colors, and this caught my eye because it's a beautiful, beautiful ride, and I like the saying. The license plate's also good too. More about that in just a second. But let's get over here and let's meet the driver, the owner. Is this a daily driver?
Yes, it is.
And where are you from?
Valparaiso, Indiana.
Gwen, tell me a little bit about the Jeep. What year?
It's a 97 CJ Wrangler.
Daily driver?
You know it.
What else do you do with it?
Pickup guys. How
Pick
about
up
that?
guys? What, did you do any off-roading with it?
No, not yet. I'm waiting to get the LS1 dropped in at the end of the summer.
Wow, gonna put an LS1 in it. What do you got in it now?
4-banger.
That just doesn't work, does it?
No, I did pretty much 55 miles per hour for 5 hours. It sucked.
That's not good.
It was not fun at all.
You know, it's vibrant and colorful, and you know, what else have you done to the truck to kind of get it up to your style?
Well, basically, I bought it as a stock truck, and as soon as I bought it, I had a 4-inch lift kit with a 3-inch body put on it, put some stickers on it, put some basher bumpers, a little bit of chrome. That's about it. I mean, it looks good.
And a little color in the interior.
Just a little. Purple for purple, because I'm a purple girl.
You're a purple girl.
Purple girl.
Well, it's fun. You like the jamborees?
I love the jamborees. You have no idea how fun these are.
Now, for a young lady like yourself, why not some little hot sports car, some little thing that just doesn't seem like it kind of fits your style, though?
I love rednecks. I do. I love the rednecks. I love just hanging out with the guys and just partying and enjoying everybody else's truck, seeing what they did. Everybody has a different style. So that's why I like to look for what everybody's different qualities are and what they're looking for.
Style and color, and she wrapped it all up, didn't she?
Meanwhile, Rick, let's get back to the Burnout Contest. Jason Shaw coming up now in his 2002 Chevy 2500, trying to inspire the crowd a little.
And you need to inspire the crowd because this contest is judged on crowd response. They have a meter so they can get an accurate reading for each one of the competitors, and he's just trying to get them going. They're making some noise.
Yeah, they show their approval. Well, up next will come Jeff Golden and his 2001 Ford F350. Here he goes.
It says 4x4 on the side, but you can only use the back tires. That's the only thing you can use in the Burnout Contest. They have the front end chock so that truck doesn't try and run away while they're smoking the tires. Well, there used to be a Ford in there in the middle somewhere. Jeff doing a good job. It's not quite golden, it's now all smoky. Toot toot.
Well, one of the true pleasures of being in a four-wheel jamboree is that the latest and greatest in aftermarket products can be found right on the performance marketplace. And another nice treat is to have someone like Richard Small here from Flowmaster. Welcome to the jamboree.
Well, thank you. It's great to be here.
A little wet, but you know what? It's a truck show.
It's a great weather if you're a duck. Doesn't seem to be bothering anybody, though. They're all out here in great numbers.
You know, listen about Flowmaster, talk about Flowmaster, that signature sound and everything else, but you guys have got an incredible product line, and it doesn't seem like it doesn't ever stop. You guys just continue to come up with new innovative ideas. What about the world of trucks?
Well, we've got a lot of exciting things going on. We've got the Super 40 we just brought out. We've got the Hush Power 2. We've got 5-inch stuff for the big diesel boys. We've got 4-inch. About anything you want, we've got it.
Where does this come from? Do you guys react to the market, or do you kind of work in concert with the new products that come out from the manufacturers?
A lot of it actually comes from here. We listen to people. We want to know what they want, and then we go back and see what we can do about it. And so far, we've been pretty successful at it.
Well, we will continue to keep our eye on Flowmaster because they continue to listen to people and keep their eye on the ever-changing truck world. So again, keep watching the Outdoor Channel for that next big news from the exhaust technology company, Flowmaster.
Stay with us. More unique creations from Lima on World of Trucks when we come back.